The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Ford County and east central Illinois, southwestern Iroquois County and east central Illinois until 4:30 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 9 miles south of Paxton and moving north at 35 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Paxton around 3:35 p.m., Buckley around 3:55 p.m., Onarga around 4:10 p.m., Gilman around 4:20 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lodi and Parville. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging wind in excess of 60 miles per hour, large hail, deadly lightning, and very heavy rain. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. Heavy rains flood roads quickly, so do not drive into areas where water covers the road.